I wanted to show you that colors themselves can be keyframed. You can see that I've got the yellow selected here, and this is my set of keyframes. And let me go over what it is that it's doing. First, it's starting at yellow, and then it returns to yellow. So I've gone in here and I've clicked on this little diamond in both of those places before I've gone to, let's say, 3 frames after the first one where it turns to white. And so this is what it does. If you look at just these 3, it's a little easier to tell that each one is turning white and then returning to its own color. Now please notice that I did make the red, the actual red from SketchUp first, because going back and changing this to the brighter yellow is going to be tough because each of those keyframes that is yellow and yellow would have to be brightened back up. So it's almost easier to just delete these. So this is very mathematically like I've got 3 colors. So I use the first 10 frames for one color, and then it just stays yellow, and then it goes from yellow, white, yellow, and stays yellow. So you can get that pattern. Now with this alternating, it's not quite as fancy as maybe going all the way across. You would need a separate color for each one for that to work. But you can see that for each of these, it's a little bit staggered. So then the red is over like even one more. So it goes 10 to 20. Oh, looks like I kind of messed up here. So it really should be, the red would be, this is the first 10, this is the second 10. Nope, yep. And so this is the third set of 10. And then you can just take those, and if you copy them in the right place. So there's a little math involved. You got to add 30, in this case, to the very first number where that color starts to change to white. So 20 plus 30 is 50, 50 plus 30 is 80. I do recommend that you find another set of numbers. Now this is only once you have your house regular video already done. And if you want to have a little color fun, this is one of those extra things that you can do. Now the other thing that I've done here is I have changed the white color of my windows to a set of random colors. And randomness can even be harder than making everything like mathematically precise, because we have a tendency to just repeat patterns. And so you can see, like, for this to look like a dance party is going on inside the house, there's going to be some color changes, and you don't want to just copy and paste all the keyframes in order. But once you get a good set, you can copy random parts from inside your color changes. And so that did save me a little bit of time. So in my next video, I'll show you how I actually did the keyframing on this set of colors. I'll leave the regular pattern colors for you to figure out using your math skills.